Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to if you're new. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, and I used less than one roll of Brazilian wool, and yeah, I love it. I call them my big fancy matutas, and they'll do the trick. And yeah, this is how the looks turn out. So if you want to do a protective style and your toddler will not let you have 15 minutes, this style is for you. I really love it. I love how it came out and it looks tea on camera. So yeah, it is so worthy. And yeah, don't mind. So let's get into the video. I show you how I did it and watch till the end to learn how to achieve this pretty look. Thank you for watching up to the end. As you have seen, there's so much progress in my hair. I really love how much my hair is progressing, how thick it has gotten, and I just can't wait to see what it will look like by the end of this year. So if you want to grow your natural hair, you are in the right place. Let's do this. This is my second rodeo, so of course I know what I am talking about. So subscribe and join the family and comment, would you do this hairstyle? Let me tell you guys, if you're looking for a simple protective hairstyle that will protect your ends so that you can maintain as much length as possible, yeah, this is it. It's basically just, well, you have seen. So yeah, I would like to hear from you. Tell me what you think. I am loving this style and I'm gonna rock it. And yeah, thank you for watching up to the end. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.